So Panchtatva. First of all, I have to say that I'm so honored, and it's always a pleasure sharing a stage with this top and eminent musicians. And whatever Durga ji does it, she always comes up with a concept. Nowadays, whatever you do, you have to have a concept. Even like when you have a pure South Indian, like a classical concert, like traditional concert, some concept has to be done. Like for example, like just Tyagaraja Kritis or just like Muthuswami Dikshithar's Kritis. Some concept has to be announced so that people will get an attraction for that, and then they'll come to the concert and they'll hear it and then they'll like it. So I think making a concept, I think Durga ji have started so many years back, like with Tiranga and like a lot more. And in that way, people curiosity is there. Like what is that? Okay, when she says Tiranga, when she says Panchtatva, okay, what is Panchtatva, and what is going to happen on stage with this kind of a musician? And they were saying some new name for that, and it's five elements, or I mean Tiranga means okay, flag. What hit is going to happen with the music? Actually, I would from the beginning I'm watching her, the way she lives the life and way she looks the life, everything into the music. That's the concept where it comes from her mind. And that's really helps us for the musician to produce it. And whenever you feel some rain happens, you might feel about Vishwamohan ji on that day, because when you see the concert tomorrow, he's going to represent water, and it's like that, that's a concept which goes into your mind very easily, and our music will go into a heart. So in that way, getting up a concept and doing in a concert, it's always a great, and I'm so honored again, I have to say that, with play with this top musicians. I really have to thank Durga ji, because I'm seeing it more than almost 10 years. Yeah, the music is gone to a different level now. If you see the audience where they are coming for the concerts, it's all youngsters. How it's gone now. These are the people who has to take the music into a different level, and she is the one who does it for so many years. And I really thank not just me, from the of course she also belongs to a greatest musicians family. That's where it's all coming from, and we all have to thank her to keep the tradition on, because nowadays people always ask me whenever in the interview, what do you think and where's the music scene is on now, where are the youngsters are standing now. It's all in a correct path, correct level, because they are the one who holds the tradition. I said no, this is that, this is this is that. So we need this kind of people to hold it on, and we musicians have to support her if your music wants to live, and it has to be taken over. So in that case, I really thank Durga ji to come up with more concept like that. And then, as I said, I'm so honored and happy. And Hyderabad is always it's near to my town, only 40 minutes flight from Chennai. So it's also my place, where I love it. And then, of course, whatever we do, more classical songs, it's all in Telugu because it's Tyagaraja Kritis. So, what they say, Entaro Mahanubhavulu Antarigi Mantanamu. So it's like that. Thank you.